Lingo Kids, I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph. I hope you're ready to have some fun.
Say hi to Kelly and Elliot. They'll be helping us later.
Today we're going to use some fun kitchen tools.
And we're gonna make
Fancy mashed potatoes.
I think we better warm up first.
Why are we doing this?
This recipe takes a lot of strength. Somebody old might get hurt.
What?
Time to wash our hands. Step 1 is wash the potatoes. Now we peel the potatoes. Here's the potato peeler.
Thanks. This is how people peel potatoes.
Watch out for the sharp edges, Dad. Now you cut the potatoes. The knife was too sharp for me.
Yep, safer for grown-ups to use. Next, we boil the potatoes. The stove is hot.
I see bubbles.
While we wait for the potatoes, do you want to learn a dance? It's called the mashed potato.
Really?
Let's go over here. So your feet go in and out, and your arms go up and down.
Okay. I've got it.
You got it.
Go, Kelly.
Nice move, Elliot.
The potatoes are ready.
Yes.
We've got to drain them. Bye-bye, water. Now we mash the potatoes. This is a masher. It's fun because you press it in the potatoes and then the potatoes get all mashed.
You can also use a fork to mash potatoes.
This takes muscles.
Now we add warm milk and butter.
And salt. And pepper. Mash alert!
Those look perfect.
Now we can turn it into fancy mashed potatoes.
Bring on the toppings.
Butter,
Grated cheese,
bacon, yum.
green onions,
Parsley,
gravy,
broccoli,
and peas, please.
yum.
Let's go. This is good.
Look, I made one for Callie and one for Elliot.
Nice. We mash. You're going to love these fancy mashed potatoes.
You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen.